So today we're staying at a room in the Dolphin Resort, and let's get started with the room tour. So when you walk into the right hand side, there's a closet with hangers, place to put your suitcase, iron, extra pillows, ironing board, safe, the usual. And then we walk a little further along, and then we have a little area here with a mirror, some water. The water is complimentary. You get like 4 warm, and then usually 2 are in the fridge. You get the ice bucket, tissues, coffee maker, coffee. They give you some cups, and then you have some storage space underneath here. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to the bathroom area. They give you a lot of toiletry items here, like shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, some soap. You get some cups. Down here there are towels and a blow dryer. The Dial soap is mine. Here's the sink area and the mirror, and then right next to that is the bathroom. What's really nice is you get a full-length mirror, and then here is the toilet area, some artwork, and then we have the shower area here as well, and some more toiletry items they give you, like the individual ones. Okay, so now let's go into the area with the beds. So when you walk in, on the right hand side you have the table, some drawers, a TV, and it's really cool because you can watch Netflix on it, Hulu, sign into your accounts and do that. They give you the mini fridge, and they put 2 bottles of water in there for you, which is really nice. Up ahead we have a little table. This one is very easy to move around the room. Then a chair and a lamp, and this has guest service information and if you want to get room service. Out here we have our balcony area, and we have a view of Epcot, Yacht and Beach, and Boardwalk, all 3. If you look, I can zoom in for 1 second, you can see the Epcot ball right in the distance there, right behind the Yacht and Beach Club. And then here's the Boardwalk, here's Atlantic Dance Hall, and the bridge. And then the sign for the Boardwalk's right over there as well. 2 chairs and a table too. And then here we get another chair. And then we have the 2 beds over here and some artwork. There's a phone. That's it for this room tour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and set alerts so you'll be able to see when my next video is posted.